Sally needs her Wheaties.
We are kid-free tonight.
I'm gonna go really fast.
No. But we get to film without background noise. So we're gonna just go for a drive.
We gotta get some cleaning stuff. Because Megan's is going to a show in a few weeks.
Next weekend.
Yep.
Hot night. But we have been busy with a surprise that I can't say yet. So we haven't been filming a whole lot. So we're just going to take you along with us while we go out and shoot some content for Insta. Obviously we're going to get content for YouTube. And we'll see where it takes us.
It's alive. It's not very happy about it, but we're not going very far today. Do a little shoot. Take advantage of a night, just us. Even though it's broken. It'll still be fun. It made it. A whole 2 kilometers. We're doing good. This stuff. Never dull. It never lies.
It's the only stuff we found that works on Chrome.
This one's been screwed with though. We need a different one.
Oh, we need a different.
Somebody was practicing. Or they just needed a strip. Ripped it off. Instead of spending the $25. Unfortunately, we need more than a strip.
Yeah, a lot more.
Time for a new adventure. We're gonna go get ice cream. Because it's hot. But it's another kilometer I gotta go without breaking. Can I do it? Can't see, my windows are already down. Nissan for the win. W. Don't show them my oily bumper. Too many options.
He called me a basic biatch.
She went with s'mores. How Canadian is that?
Last time I was here, I got an enamel bar flavor.
Basically the same thing.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
S'mores and enamel bar is very different.
Thank you. Calls me basic. Guess the same thing he did last time.
Can't go wrong if it's good. Facts. Did you know that door is a pull, not a push? See, I learned that. Huh.
How was your ice cream?
Creepy. It was very good. How was your ice cream?
It was really good.
What did it taste like?
Like graham cracker and chocolate?
So it tastes like a s'more.
Yeah.
You're so Canadian.
There's worse things to be.
Hey?
Tell me all about it.
Now we're gonna go to the school and shoot.
Yeah. It's a brand new school. It's pretty.
It says Cornell on it.
Is that a highlight?
And I think school. No.
Junior school.
It's like a D light.
D-light is a good thing.
Not in this case.
Okay. Guess what?
It's down light.
It's only like 2 kilometers.
We gotta make another 2 kilometers. Will it happen?
It'll be fine.
There's no push to pull doors there either.
You'll be okay.
Yeah.
Did you walk into it?
No.
Dang it. That would have been funny.
I personally feel like she is bullying me today. Trying to set me up to walk under doors. Telling me she's gonna beat me at grounders. I don't know. This doesn't seem very fair right now. She's scheming for something here. I'll keep you guys in the loop. That's the culprit right there. She keeps following me around. I'm not sure what's up. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'll show you. I think she's geeking over my car or something because she followed me here and like staged. I gotta investigate. Why do you keep following me?
You see that? You see this? It means I can follow you wherever I want to go.
I'm trapped. I don't know how to get out.
You asked me the question, dude.
Help.
He goes, I'm gonna try like one of those videos, and then just starts running.
So we want to know.
Oh no.
We gotta know. How do you film your videos? Because, not to brag, but that's a lot of experience right there. You gotta speed hit that shit. Yeah. Faster you do it, the more content you get. Built-in stabilization. But once again, apparently that ring says she can sit by me now. I can't get away, guys. You gotta show your toes first. Show shoes. Not in use.
Cars. And the kids over there are like, hey, we follow you on TikTok.
Good thing I don't use TikTok.
I was like, oh, I don't really post on TikTok anymore.
See this?
What?
I peeled a lot.
Yeah, I'm almost as dark as you.
Okay. Good job, babe.
Shut up. It's not my fault that you're native.
I'm a little disappointed in you.
I told you it was dirty.
Ew.
I've been driving farm roads on it.
Driving farm roads.
Yeah.
A dirt driveway is not a farm road.
It's for this thing.
But it has monster truck mode.
It does not.
I think we need to air it up. And then we can create a poll. You comment below. Is it monster truck?
Fine. Ears up to them, butto.
See, right now, it's just like a little wee car. Baby car. Sometime this year, we'll go monster truck. You gotta close that door so we can see the back. God damn. Dude, it's like pizza box fitment. What is this?
Lower than yours.
Not right now, it ain't. Monster truck. Exposed. Exposed. Oh, that's better. Back to little car. Little car.
Well, did you get your content?
We'll report back when I build the video. It's gonna be mint.
What's the plan?
I should probably go put it back in the garage before it actually blows up. Just saying.
Yeah, it's been out for an hour. It's long enough.
That's like 2 quarts of oil. Video cost me 15 and 33 cents.
It cost you more than that.
In oil?
Yeah. A quart is like $18.
Mobile, please sponsor me.
You know, fix this motor. They're gonna have to.
Broken LSs need help.
Yeah. So we're gonna go home. I'm gonna edit this video. And then we're gonna watch a movie.
You know what to do. Don't forget. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in Kamloops.
Again.
On the road again.
Followed him home.
Can't get rid of her.